that. Come on, Gus. What are you doing? What are you doing? Somebody said maybe just have the piece hanging by like a chain or something. So it's like, I don't know. I don't know if my graver will be here before January. I would think it's October still, November, December. Yeah, it should be here. What I might end up doing is I might make those pieces, because right now they're 1 millimeter thick. So if I did 2 millimeters and I did some graving on them to like give them some decoration, that might look okay. And then I went with the 3 prongs because I didn't want to have to do more work, and everything kind of seems to be in 3 on it, so where it's centered. So that's the next project I'm working on, but I have to figure out how to create it, make the first one, and then I'm gonna learn how to do some sand casting and see if I can get one of these to sand cast good enough to be a finished product so that I have the second one. And hopefully, if that works, I can make more of these with the same size stones, which would be my first what's it called? Manufactured? I don't know. My first reproducible piece that I can make a master and continue to copy it. And then all I have to do is set the stones and do the cleanup work and stuff. So that would be really cool if I could do that. But I'll have to see how everything else turns out and how much of a challenge this ends up being. But like I said, if I can make the first one, come on, Gus, come down here. If I can make the first one, I can do the sand, or I can send out for the lost wax casting, because I don't have the stuff to do that. That would be fun, but I don't have the stuff for it. So if I could just kind of outsource that part of it, get all of my rings back, then I should be able to make some more of those. And I can change out the stones, and they're nice sized stones. They're 7 millimeter. I think they're 5 carat. Yeah, I think they're around 5 carat stones, which is nice because it's nice and big. You are needy, so needy this morning, Gus. I do have to start today on another order of these blood vases. So I'll be outside most of the day working on those, taking the knives off the handles. All those new knives that I got, I'll be outside cleaning all those up, and hopefully I'll get them all done and be able to not have to do it for the rest of the winter. I have the ventilation to do it in here, but I don't want to do it in here in case it squirts all over the place, and that's just too much. Anything you want to say, Gus? Anything? Do you want to say something? No? You just want to snuggle? Alright, so I'm going to log off. I'll get this uploaded or started to upload. Oh wait, no, this is Sterling Piece Part 3. So this series is on here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to work it down for YouTube. I'm going to put the three of them together and just kind of get you the highlights, and we'll see the finished piece in that. You guys, unfortunately, you guys have the, where are we at? Oh, we're at 5 minutes now, but we're about 2.5 hours right now, which seems to be about what I tend to average. But I will continue working here every day that I'm in the shop, that I can walk and be able to do stuff. So I will see you guys later. I have to go get knives separated from handles. Do you want to say anything, Gus? Gus? Do you want to say anything? No? Alright. Have a good day, everyone. See you later, Nate.